Hello, this is an instruction video about how to follow the directions in the email you got for the TABE Remote Test. My name is Kathy, and you will get an email from me, Catherine Grady, or from Pajao Lee, maybe someone else from Hub Center. But when you get the email with instructions, there are some things you need to do before you are ready to take the test on your home computer. You need a computer, Chromebook, MacBook, something that is an actual computer and not an iPad or a phone. You cannot use an iPad or a phone. You also need a microphone, and you need a video camera, and you need to keep your camera on the entire time you take the test. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your computer or your device will work for the test. And the way to do that, step number one, is to click on the link here that you have been sent through email that says DRC device check. We're going to check my device right now. Just run test. Everything passed. I've got green on everything here. And if you get any red that says failed, usually then it's not going to work unless it's the power supply, and the power supply would just mean that you would need to plug in your computer. So you can plug in your computer and then you can test it again, and it's running the test again, and I passed again. So if it's all green, you're good to go. We'll go back to the email for step number 2. You must use Google Chrome for this test. Google Chrome is an internet browser that looks like this. And so I'll just go to my Google Chrome. I'm on Google Chrome now. Let me see if I can move this. Google Chrome, there it is, Google. So you want it to, you want to make sure that you're using the search, the internet search tool that looks like this. Okay? Most of you will be using Chrome already. I'm going to go back to my email again. So if you don't have Google Chrome, we can help you download it or get some help from someone else. All right? You need also a secure extension. It's just a little thing that helps keep the test, more secure on the internet. And that takes about 2 seconds. So you just, again, click on the link. And I already have my secure browser installed. So it says remove from Chrome, but yours should say add to Chrome here. So you click on add to Chrome. It takes a few seconds. Then you're ready to go. You don't have to do anything else there. The next step is that you're going to be given a Google Meet link through email from Pajao or from me. And when you're ready to take the test and the time that we tell you, you can join the Google Meet link. So in this case, the Google Meet for the TABE Remote Test is today, anytime between 12 and 3. You don't need to make an appointment. You just need to tell us you're coming sometime between 12 and 3 to take the test. The test takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours, so make sure you have enough time. But when you're ready to take the test, you'll click on the Google Meet link that we send you. When it is time to actually take the test, you go to step 5. To access the test, click here. And your screen's going to look like this. You will be given a username and a password. I'm going to use one that we have from yesterday. That's the username. And the password is post. So you type it in exactly the way it looks, except that the username and password that you are given may be capital letters. It doesn't matter. Capital or lowercase both work. Then click and sign in, and you should receive something that looks like this. Welcome, and it should say your name, test session, student ID, continue. You're going to press continue. You're going to start the practice test. and it says, you know, look at this, make sure you see the 3 circles. I've always seen the 3 circles. Then begin the test. I'm not going to begin the test right now because I don't want to use a test that is just for an example. But that's where you begin the test, and you should be able to start testing. Feel free to contact me. My information is on the email sent or Pajau if you have any questions. And we can always help you do this when you start the test as well, when you come to the Google Meet. Good luck, and thank you very much for testing with us.